I know there's so much wrong about this right now because it's dead and she totally shouldn't be playing with it. As M, she gave it to you?
Yeah. When she gave it at home, put it at home when Hannah got it.
Hannah got it?
Yeah, first. Give it to Emily.
Okay, go give it to Mommy.
No, she don't love it.
She wants to cuddle it.
No, it's mine. Hey! Hey!
Such a sweet little girl. Thor, out! Out! It's okay. It's okay. Mommy just hasn't had a chance to hug it. She'll love it if she hugs it.
No, Bailey.
You want to take it?
Outside! Outside with the dead animal! Outside, Bailey! Outside! Go! Oh, God! Bailey, stop playing! Steven! Do something!
I'm not touching it. That's gross. I love him. She loves him, Denise.
Steven! This is seriously wrong. It's got disease and stuff. Bailey, go put it outside.
Let's go get rid of it, okay?
Hey, you gotta go wash your hands really good with soap.
I know so.
No, okay, let's take him outside. I don't want to touch it.
Ew. Take him outside, Bailey. God, Steven.
That's really good.
Was he trapped in there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's get rid of him, okay? Okay, now you gotta go wash your hands.
I don't know how.
I'll go help you, okay? Was that fun?